Good morning children. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a project, okay, which is very important. Till class 8, whatever types you have been making projects, maybe in sheets, maybe in the copy itself, right? So now it is very important for you to know how to make a project because it carries 20 marks. And you've got 3 projects in the diary, school diary. Also the assignment which has been sent, school diary is not there now for you, but the assignment have been sent. In that all the 3 projects with the dates have been specifically told. Now project plays an important role because it adds on to your marks, it adds on to your total, and you can really get a good score out of 20 if you follow the rules and the regulation that has been told to make. So we have given some small guidelines as to how you are supposed to make a project. I'll be showing along with this. After this slide there is a video which will tell you a sample of project which I'm showing. Okay, like you should have the first page, the topic of the project. You should write human activities. Then the second page should be acknowledgement. This acknowledgement, you are addressing your teacher, thanking her and your family, your friends, those who have helped you to make your project. Then the content, introduction. See, these are the main things you can add on, and the number of pages can increase, children. But the page number 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 are very compulsory, and the last 2, 5, 6. Other than this, you can add on as many pages as you want total, because this is the way you are supposed to write your project. And the acknowledgement should not be added after every project. One acknowledgement done, clear. Now once bibliography is over, that means your first project gets over. Then the second project, again the same way, the topic. Now here the project 2 it will be, okay, the same way. The last page of the second project will be bibliography. Now bibliography, what you are going to write is what all with whose help you have taken, like whether it is the sites which are there in internet or the books you have referred. And introduction is what you are going to what are you going to learn, what are you going to do in the project, what are the things that you have to write briefly, and conclusion, what you learned from the project you made. So these are very important points to be taken into consideration. If you keep all this point, you are really going to score good marks in your project. Children, now just see a sample of the project. Okay, see, this here you are supposed to use a cardboard type project file, okay, which has a thread. You can open it, okay, and you'll get loose sheets like this in the shop. Okay, so the cover over this should be a yellow marble paper, and after writing the content, this all things, you should cover it with a cellophane paper. Okay, here see, what will you write? Commercial studies project, whatever design you want to add up. Not, it should be simple, not very gaudy, right? And then your name, class, roll number, section, subject, it should be clearly mentioned, and then cover it with a cellophane paper. Okay, after this you have the first page. This is the project, which is very important, isn't it? First project topic, and here I would again advise you to write name, class, section, roll number and subject, because maybe if the cover gets spoiled or anything, teacher will be able to know every details about you through this first page. Okay, after this should be an acknowledgement, and for all the 3 projects, this is the only one acknowledgement you are going to write. Okay, and here you will write the teacher's name. Okay, after this is content is very important. So in that you will write introduction, meaning of human activities, what all topics are there in it, then conclusion and bibliography. And in the side of this page you have this page number, individually you write the page number. So where is the introduction, where is the topics, all this page number should be written properly. Then see, this is the meaning of human activity, properly done, nicely written. Okay, you can make use of some books, you can make use of internet to give you all information, right? Then see, on the left hand side you have a plain sheet. Here you are supposed to stick the papers. Now this is economic activity farming. Like human activity is of two type: economic activity and non-economic activity. So economic activity, when you write on the left hand side, you should stick pictures like this, beautifully boundary to be made with a sketch pen, and properly headings, and always the picture should be related to the topic. It is very important. Okay, this way the number of pages have been already specified. So one project, once you finish one project, then the last page should be a bibliography, then you will start with the second project here. So all the three projects will be added in the same file. Okay children.